What's up everyone, today we're taking a look at the Zanes GP1 power bank, which is probably the most interesting power bank you're ever going to see, and it's pretty reasonably priced at 35 bucks. The capacity of this power bank is 6,500 milliamp hours, which for example is capable of charging up an iPhone XS about 2.5 times and a Note 9 a little more than 1.5 times. Generally, this will probably charge most people's phones a bit over 2 times. And if you were only to use the battery to play games on the power bank, it would last around 48 hours. In addition to just charging your devices, this power bank is also a kind of Game Boy type thing. It's got a full color screen, which claims to be HD but is obviously not, a D-pad, and an A and B button for controlling games. Other buttons on the front of this thing include a reset button, which will take you back to the games list, a volume button which cycles through 4 volume options, and a start button. In the corner you have your speaker, which sounds fine. It does get distorted at the loudest volume option, but not like it matters. And at the very top of the front are your LED battery indicators. On the top of this thing you have your micro USB port for charging it up, a little button which activates the battery LEDs on the front, and a USB port where you plug all your devices into. And the only other thing on this power bank is the power switch on the left side. Now this thing comes with 99 games installed, and it's got a pretty good variety of stuff. You will find some good old classics like Galaga, Tetris, F1 Racer, and Dig Dug, as well as a lot of other lesser known 8-bit games. It's pretty fun to go through and try each game, or get to replay an older one that you haven't seen in a while. While that's all nice, there are quite a lot of old games that you've most likely never heard of, and in addition to that, just aren't that fun after the first minute. To navigate the pages of games, you can go up and down one by one, or just hit the left or right button to skip through whole pages. Also, even though there's a picture of Mario on the game selection pages, there aren't actually any Mario games on this thing. The power bank seems to be pretty solid and durable, so you should be able to throw it in your bag and not have to worry about anything breaking. And you might have noticed that on the back of this thing it says 10,000 milliamp hours for the capacity, and on the website for it says 8,000 milliamp hours, but these are not correct. On both though, it does say the rated capacity is 6,500 milliamp hours, which is the actual correct value, so don't get fooled by those other two numbers. Overall, for under 40 bucks, this is definitely a pretty good deal. It only costs a little bit more than a normal power bank would, that's this size, plus you get the bonus feature of being able to play all these old games. Now for the record, the majority of the games on this device you're probably going to play once, maybe twice, and then be done with them forever, but that shouldn't distract you from the fact that there are some enjoyable classics on here as well. The size of the power bank is really nice, making it super portable and enabling you to charge your phone most likely around 2 to 2.5 times. If you're looking for a new power bank, or feel like playing some retro games, or both, I'd easily recommend getting the Zanes GP1 power bank. Thanks for watching. The link to this thing is in the description below. As well, don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming videos. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.